grammar section. As you will get the question in your first term examination, rectify the error. But what is the meaning of rectify error? Rectify means the error you will have to correct in the passage. You have given passage in question. In each line, you will get such mistakes. That mistake you will have to write in error column. Instead of that error, which correct word will be there, that you will have to write in correction column. This is called rectify the error. Means you will have to correct the error. How you can do this? Let me give you some examples so you can understand it very easily. And you can solve it very easily into the first term examination. So here you have given the first paragraph. So let us start. The first thing you will have to remember is you will have to read each sentences correctly. Okay, like half of line might be you will have given, but you will have to complete the whole sentence while you are reading the passage. Health precedes action. Here sentence complete. If you are reading the complete sentence, then only you can understand the meaning of the sentence, and then only you can rectify the error. So health precedes action. There are an, complete the sentence first, an undisputed connection among being fit and being our best. So here comes to this sentence. There are an. Here you have given an. And we are using for singular. So we cannot use here are. So are is our error. So that you will have to write in error column. Now instead of are, which word we can use? As you have given here an, singular. So we will have to write singular form is. Understood? So now the correct sentence is there is an undisputed connection among being fit and being our best. Two things are here. Being fit, being our best. So for two things we cannot use among. Among we are using when we are having the comparison or the things more than two. Here we are having two objects, being fit, being our best. So for two things we can use between. Instead of among, you can write between, because we are having two things. Understood? So here disputed connection between being fit and being our best. Understood? Next, a simple rules of 5 helps make exercising a most enjoyable activity. Now here, as I have told you priorly, a is a singular indefinite article. So all simple rules, if a is there, so rules will be singular. So a simple rule. So error is rules. Instead of rules you will have to write rule. Clear? So this is our error and our correction is rule. Next, of 5 helps make exercising a most. You can see the word most, superlative degree. So whenever superlative degree is there, we will have to use the. So our error is a. Instead of a, we will have to write the. Understood? So now the sentence of 5 helps make exercising the most enjoyable activity. Wake up in 5 AM. 5 बजे उठना है या 5 बजे में उठना है. So instead of in, called error and correction. Now you can see in each line we are having such error, and that we will have to correct, and already we have done the correction. Second example also I have given like that. You will have to see here the same, like first we have read as it is, we will have to read the second para also. Research is an detailed study of a subject undertaking on a systematic basis in order to increase the stock of knowledge. Here you have given research is an is our error. How I recognize this detail? This is consonant. So before consonant we cannot use an. Here we will have to use research is a detailed study of. So instead of an, error is an, and correction a. Study of a subject undertaking on a systematic. Here you have given the word undertaking. It is totally wrong word. Study of a subject undertaken. This is not continuous. Already this is done. So undertaking is our error, and the correction will be undertaken. So this is the correction. Undertaken on a systematic basis in order to increase our stock of knowledge. Here you can see the word a. Our stock of knowledge, already we are having specific thing. Which stock of we are having? So stock of knowledge we are having. We already knew particular stock we have given, so we can't use a, because a is indefinite. But here we are having definite thing. So for definite we will have to use the. So error is a. Instead of that we will have to write the, because the is definite, and here we are having the specific thing, stock of knowledge, including knowledge for man, culture and society. So knowledge of, लोगों के लिए नहीं, लोगों का knowledge of man, culture and society. So error is 4, and instead of 4 we will have to write of. Of is correction. Knowledge of man, culture and society. Here you are having comma, means sentences continue. Man, culture and society, and we can't use here linking word, because 3 things are there. Knowledge of what? Knowledge of man, knowledge of culture and society, knowledge of the use of this stock of knowledge. So here we will have to write and. Instead of that we will have to write and. Clear? So this is the thing, rectify the error. Likewise you will have to solve. Okay? If you are reading this carefully, you will 110% get such kind of mistake, silly mistake, that you will have to write in error column, that you will have to correct, and that correct word you will have to write in correction column. So I hope you can understand this thing. Okay? Next I will give you figure of speech. Let us see. Let's start figure of speech, where I have given 2 figure of speech. Already you know about this. Okay, figure of speech is the non-literal language through which we will have to think too much. What is actually the poet wants to tell us. Like in food we are using salt. So salt makes that taste delicious. So likewise in language, figure of speech is working like a salt of food. If figure of speech is there in language, then language looks very beautiful and it looks innovative and creative. Okay, so this is figure of speech. First of all, I have given you the 2 figure of speech related to comparison. Simile is also used for comparison, as well as metaphor is also used for comparison. But here we are having the comparison in a different way. How they have used these figure of speech in comparison, let us see by the definition. First of all, I have given you the simile. Simile like, but still they both look alike. Both the things are different, but some similarity is there in between them. In some significant way, in some way they both were or both are having such alike moments, often introduced by like or as. In simile, we can see the word like and as. Just like is also used for comparison, as is also used for comparison. Let us see the example. The kid's backpack was as heavy as a bag full of rocks. The kid's bag was as heavy as the bag full of rocks. किड की बैग जो है, बच्चों की बैग जो है, उसको कंपेयर किया गया है, उसकी बैग को ऐसा लगता है कि उसमें पत्थर भरे हुए हो. The weight of the bag is compared to the rocks. So this is the thing is comparison, and here you can see the word as. So this is called simile. Second, the moon shone bright like a diamond in the night sky. So the moon is compared to the diamond, and what here you can see is like. So like shows that this is the simile. Another, the girl's eyes were as black as coal. The girl's eyes compared to the coal. Coal, black color, eyes, black color. So similarity is black. Here you can see the word as. This is shown that this is the simile figure of speech. He eats like a pig. Like. He eats. So eating manner is the same here. Pig and that person. So you can see here like. So like and as shows that this is the figure of speech of comparison, simile. Second is also of comparison, but something is missing in this. Like and as, but you cannot see in this figure of speech. A word or phrase for one thing that is used in place of another thing in order to show or suggest that they are similar. Okay, so here also comparison is there between word, between phrase, between person, between thing. But here in order to show suggest that they are similar. But they have shown the similarity, but not the words are there like and as. So first line here you can see is life is one big roller coaster ride. So life is compared to roller coaster ride. Okay, but words are not there like and as. But still comparison is there. So this is metaphor. Second, he was lion in the battle. The person was compared to the lion in the battle. Both are the different things. Word as and like is also not there, but comparison is there. So this is metaphor. Third, the secretary was a busy bee. The secretary compared to busy bee. Secretary was compared to bee, and that's why this is called comparison. And here you can't see the word like and as. Direct comparison is there. So this is metaphor. So I hope you can understand simile and metaphor. Both are comparison figure of speech. But in simile you can see the word like and as, whereas in metaphor you cannot see the word like and as. But direct comparison you can see. Okay. Third one I will give you alliteration. Fourth one I will give you repetition. Let's see it. Priorly I have given two of the figure of speech that is belonging from the comparison. Now here I am giving you the two of the figure of speech. Here you can see repetition and alliteration, which is belonging from the repetition. But what repetition we can see in this figure of speech? Let me tell you. First of all, repetition. The name itself is a repetition figure of speech in which you can see the repetition of word or the group of words. Any of the word, single word that repeated again and again in the sentence, or the group of word twice or thrice it is repeated in the sentence, then it is called repetition. Let us see the sentence also. And repetition also create rhythm and bring attention also. Through the example you can get this concept very easily. So first one I can say that the president said walk, walk and work are the keys to the success. Can you please tell me which word is repeated in this sentence? Yes, you can see here work, work and work. So the work, a single word repeated thrice in a single sentence. So that's why this sentence is called the repetition. Here we are having the figure of speech. Second one, if you think you can do can do it. If you think you can do it, then definitely you can do it. So group of word here you can see. You can do it. Second time, you can do it. So this is called repetition. In the third, let's find which word is there in repetition form. The politician declared, we will fight. Come, what may, we will fight on all fronts. We will fight for thousands here. Can you please tell me which word is repeated? Here you can easily notice that words. We will fight, and at the last we will fight. So group of word comes thrice in a single sentence. So this is also called repetition. In short, repetition is the repetition of word and group of words. Whereas also second here you can see that alliteration. It is also repetition. But what repetition? Here you can see the repetition of same sound of the beginning of word. Means only first alphabet of the word you can see again and again. Okay, through the example you can get it very easily. Let us see the first example. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. So here you can see P, second P, third P, fourth P, sixth P and seventh P. So seventh time the first alphabet P is coming in the single sentence. So first alphabet P, and P. It shows the alliteration, repetition of first alphabet, beginning alphabet. Second, she sells. Sea shells down by the seashore. So here you can see S. Again S. So this shows the alliteration, repetition of the first alphabet. Last one. Betty bought some butter. So here which sound is repeated? B. Fourth time it is coming into the single sentence. So this is a repetition of alphabet. This shows alliteration, figure of speech. So I hope you can understand the repetition means the word repeated. Alliteration means alphabet repeated. Understood? So these both are repetition, figure of speech, and primarily I have given you the figure of speech which based on comparison. So only 4 you will have to prepare for the first term examination, and if you are having any doubt, you can ask me in the live session. Thank you and please refer this video.